BMES. Thank you for tuning in to our Project Lady vlog. I'm going to be unboxing some things. Now, it's been over a month since I last told Chris to order these things for me, and I've still not opened them. So whatever is in these packages, it's about as much as a mystery to me as it is to you. So, without further ado, let's unbox this stuff. I wonder what's in here. Huh. Seems really this is a Adafruit short flex and bend sensor. Cool. That's literally it. They had this entire package just for this. Love that. Thank you, Amazon. Okay, let's try this next box. So much duct tape. Oh, I hope I didn't stab something important. Oh. Is this a coupon for a steak? It's okay, I have a knife. Oh my god. Okay. Chris, you did a great job of taping this box together. Oh my god. I am an engineer. I am capable of opening a box. No one script. There we go. There's nothing in here. Okay. Ah. Okay. Ooh. The wires. Lots of those. What are these things? Ooh, a breadboard. More tape. Yeah. Okay, last box. How do I even start opening? Okay. I just stabbed something. I hope that was not important. This is the closest thing I'm gonna get to like carving a pumpkin this year. Ooh. Nylon ties. Are these the gloves? Yeah, these are the gloves. Metal film fixed resistor. Cool. Yes, this bag of air. Multiple bags of air. And yeah, thanks for watching this unboxing video.